Meet Lee. Lee has a store and loves helping customers, but must compete with other big brands around the world. Guessing what customers want and when they would buy is hard for him to do. And answering the same questions over and over without any sales costs him time and money. Then one day, Lee started to receive emails from Life.Cafe, showing things about customers who are looking at their store. Life.Cafe predicts customers' needs and connects vendors to customers all over the world who are ready to buy, all for a low monthly fee. Lee loved it and decided to advertise with Life.Cafe. They showed off the store by uploading photos, daily deals, and services offered. Now Lee's store lights up in Life.Cafe. Lee has more customers, knows more about who they are and what they need, and more importantly, when they are likely to buy. And when customers buy, Lee can accept any kind of payment, or even get paid through Life.Cafe, saving money on fees, making it easier than ever and encouraging Lee's customers to come back for more. Life.Cafe helps vendors be a seamless part of customers' life events, at home or around the world. Join us at Life.Cafe.